Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. So the one thing about me is only tulela sana.
Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a camera. You don't really know you are.
Hey my lovings, please do welcome back to yet another episode of my life. My name is Uendi for those of you who do not know me, also known as Umamaka Ime, no baby you, okay? To my returning subbies, please do welcome back, and to my new babies, please do stay and become part of the family. Kumnandi app. So today it is a Saturday and I am starting a new vlog. And I'm so excited, you guys. I am going out. I know I've been saying sana ba ndizoya date and ndizoya date, but anditendiye. So today I am finally going on that date. Ngaze ngajabula. So I'm gonna tell you guys bana ndiya date etheni. And I'm sure some of you guys will be excited and will be happy for me that I'm going on this date. I'm gonna tell you so iman nanzimoto yam seyiphanga zakuza xa sifike emotweni. As I was saying, guys, finally as I was saying, bana ndiyokwenza i-makeup ngoku, but andiyangayoyenza kuKhanyi. I'm not even sure banzafika kungagcwelanga kule ndawo because they only take walk-ins. uKhanyi is fully booked, like fully booked, so khange nimbooke on time, so ugcwele and niyagowa sana because zange ndabenza ubuso bam anywhere else besides kuKhanyi. I've been doing my
Go past this street, then turn right onto Aberdare Street.
So hopefully
Turn right onto Aberdare Street.
Hopefully ndizakwenziwa into right. If not, andiyazi, I'll have to work with loo nto ndiyenziweyo, but I've seen umsebenzi wakhe lo mntu oyondenza, but bathatha i-walk-ins mana andithandi nyhani indawo ethatha i-walk-ins, but ke abantu abenzayo bakwi-beauty industry baya-explaina shem uba abantu barespect ixesha.
In 900 meters, at the roundabout, take the second exit.
Manini xa ndifika phaa, guys. Hey dolls, I think we are done. Let me just fix this hair. Yeah. So ndafaka just amacici ngoku sikhawulezise. I'm really not sure uba lo mntu ndihamba naye how far she is, because andikangena kuWhatsApp because bendifuna uqale ndigqibe ndiyazi uba ndilungise abantwana, ndiyazi uba ndigqibile because we are going on a date with abantwana, so iyafana ingathi i-kiddies ntoni. Guys, andiyazanga uba masiyephine, so ndadicide uba let's go to Lapinet. And ndiyayazi uba ndimenshine ka-100 Lapinet apha sana, like okokoko ndavloga because ndiyathanda uyakhona. The reason why ndithanda iLapinet is because of indawo yodlala yabantwana, umntanam uyakuthanda phaa. So I decided, well, okay, let's just go back khona. So the earrings are also up. So I got this dress from Ulikuwe. The same lady enthenga kuye full dresses zam okokoko, Ulikuwe ireseller ka-The Rehoboth. I'm not sure uba ndiyibiza kakuhle na, but I'm gonna show you guys the full dress how it looks, but I love it so much. Ndithe kuye bana I just want i-dress ezawuba cute, acingayo uba yangandifanela, and then wadecide uba uzandilantuka le mandithungelwe le. So I'm loving this dress so much, so I'm gonna pair it with esisihlangu. I'm gonna wear the heel. I'm wearing these shoes for the first time, guys. So I'm gonna wear these shoes and I'm gonna show you guys my kabule. And I'm also carrying this bag. You guys already know this bag. I'm also carrying Yana. And the look here. I'm going to buy Zushanalent. Actually enough. But I'm feeling but the look I feel bana it's a bit short for him na. It's short for him now. Come on, the closest lalin and then usebenza nabanye amakoti xa ugobayo kuqhela uthiwa le ndawo edibanisa idolo nomlenze suppose ba ayiveli, so kule dress iyavela. So I'm thinking ngoba kuzofuneka ndiphinde ndiyoyi-add into phaa emazantsi so that xa ndigobayo this is right for apha eKapa, ndiyayinxiba apha eKapa, but ezilalini xa funeka ndisezilalini ndiyokodiza then andizokwazi uyinxiba. So yeah my loves, I think zothetha phela ndithetha naye xa sihambayo ngoku. I'm just gonna text lo mntu ndihamba naye, then ndizanixelela xa ndisemotweni uba ndiyaphi, ndizonibona xa ndihamba. Andisaziva noba ndithini sana because I feel that's late reservation yethu ngeka-2 o'clock. I think zi-1:30 ngokuba ezo-2:02. So ndiyazama ucinga uba ndizokwazi kanene uyitshintsha to maybe 3 o'clock because I feel uba akakagqibi yeah, mna ndigqibile, and also my kids are done. So yeah, let me see you guys. Sana ndide ndashushu noba shushu, ndide ndabila nobila because being umdlezana is the pit. Funeka ndilayishe iztrola into because esubharishile udedi akakho, so siubharishile. Ngoku funa ndilayishe iztrola, ndilayishe everything emotweni, but undincedisile udriver, but sana ngumsebenzi. So siyahamba ngoku, we are on the way. Ndihlele back uImo uhlele efront because ubaby he was sitting. Akahlelanga kwi-car seat yakhe but uhlele kulaa ithiwa yintoni bassinet ne uhlele kuyo. So uNosi, okay, let me just tell you guys because I didn't tell you already. If you've been here, you will know Unosi, ne? If you've been here since day one, if you still remember on my sit down video that I did, I spoke about Unosi and I spoke about our friendship. Eyayenzeka bana singabi nokuvisisana okuthile, and also yayindibo wrong kuyo yonke lo situation. So oko benimkhumbula, I think siqale drift apart ngo-2023, and I haven't seen Unosi since then. I'm seeing Unosi for the first time today. Okona nemgqibelo ngo-2023. Andiyazi uba ndifile njani, andiyazi uba ndiyoyika okanye like this is someone endimazi for iminyaka guys, but like ngoku siyaqala udibana sizothetha sizothetha about everything. Hopefully sizothetha about everything eyenzekayo. Ewe sasithethile ngayo efowunini, but it seems like yayindim ndodwa we-willing uthetha ngayo during that time. Yena wayengekho willing because ndandimhetishe kakhulu, so wayengekho ready. And oko ndizama shemba abe right, but engathi abe right. But I think she finally gave in because ndambhalela this other time. Ndamxelela ndamxelela ndiyamkhumbula because honestly oko ndandimkhumbula. Kwathi kanti ke naye shem ebendikhumbula kwelakhe icala, and then saqala uncokola ke ngoku. So oko besincokola, I think ngoku sine over 4 months ngoku. I think 4 or 5 months sincokola ngoku, but kudala saqalisa uncokola. But today we are finally going on a date. Kudala sipostpone wethu yes date, nguye phofu postponayo because mna andikho busy. Iba nguye umuntu othi ba ubusy ndon. So namhlanje we are finally going on that date. Bemfuna sihambe sobayi-2, but sana abantwana bayadika because mna benzobadampa bathi sa. But she said she wants us to go with the kids. Also understand her because uImi Lelo being her daughter, babesebeformishe a strong friendship or a relationship. So ngoku bayakhumbulana, uLelo ubuza ngoImi oko, noImi ubuza ngoLelo oko. So into edibene nabantwana guys, it's very sensitive. So she felt like bana izoyenza sense if uzodibana nabantwana. So as I said, siya elapinet because phana kukho indawo right for abantwana bama badlala. So yena uzobharisha from icala lakhe, then nam ubharisha from icala lam, sizodibana phambili. I think nayo usendleleni ngoku because she just texted. I think usendleleni. So yeah guys, I'm gonna tell you all about it xa sendibuya, xa sendigqibile, but excited man. Excited ne also ndiyoyika because I have no expectations kodwa, but like umuntu wamgqibela kudala, and especially umuntu wamgqibela ummoshile ugqibela kwakho. So if there's one thing about me, even phofu friendship mna I believe ba xa umoshe umuntu, mna ke ndiye ndizibone xa ndimoshe umuntu and umuntu andixelele ba undivise kanje then ndicela uxolo. But yena wayengekho ready to give in during that time. Ndazama to fight and she wasn't ready. Ndaqonda let me just give her time, ndamnika ixesha lakhe, but ndaqonda ndizomnika ixesha lakhe sibe kwi-distance sobayi-2, but ndizomnika ixesha lakhe ndibe ndingamkhupha ngentliziyweni yam. So naye I think she did the same, wanika ixesha lam but engandikhupha ngentliziyweni yakhe. Ukubone. So I'm so excited about this date guys. I'm sure nani excited for him because the last time I spoke about it, at least ngoku ndincumile. If you've been here, you will know. But yeah guys, I'm gonna tell you all about it xa sendibuya. So masambeni ke. Ndiyaqala sana ukuza apha kugcwele kangaka. It is so packed guys. I think also by the function abanayo, I'm not sure, but I think there's an event, a choir or something. because akukhona ugcwala kangaka mani apha kugcwele kweli cala because normally xa size apha sihlala kwela cala. Oh, I still remember ngoku sasize for i-reveal when azorevealela uhappy about the pregnancy. We were sitting phaa because sasize apha, we were sitting somewhere phaa, but normally siqhela uza sihlale phaphandle because ndiyawuthanda umphandle, it's chilled. But ngoku sihleli ngaphakathi because kugcwele and sakagcwele abantu abamhlophe apha. Let me see baza babona abantu abamnyama andibaboni tusa nabantu abamnyama, but ke ndiyayithanda le ndawo mani because ndithanda le nto uba intle and intle phofu for mna xa uze nabantwana and then i-affordable mani, ii-prices zabo zi-affordable. So yeah guys, I'm still waiting for uNox ngoku ndigqiba mrequestela because besithi akafumane ride kuye, so ndiye namrequestela phaa kum, so I think uzofika anytime from now. So yeah, it is what it is, ke sana. Molwe. Hello. Ibhedi yakudlezana. Uthanda ibhedi kodwa kumdlezana. Uthanda ibhedi awumhle. Awumhle. No, you missed Ithi hello. Ithi molweni mna ndiyatefa ke sana. Andibafuni nabantu ke sana, andifuna ubabona abantu. Ithi molweni, ithi hi. Ithi hi to the vlog. Ithi molweni nina apha. Hayi sana, akafuni ova. Ithi molweni bantu bakamakazi. Niyaphila nina apha. Utheni uqumbile? Utheni usiqumbele? Utheni ungasiqumeli nakayi-1? Nquma kayi-1. Ngifaka ne-makeup sana. Akafuni ova sana. Hey my loves, hey my dolls. Welcome to a brand new day of the vlog again. Welcome to a brand new day of this vlog. Today it is Monday when you Tuesday namhlanje. And but I am taking my big baby out. I'm taking Umi out Sana because Udala Sipuma with baby yo. So I just decided that today let it be a day yam or Imi. Say hi. So I just decided by the day I'm with Imi today because just the two of us. So that's what I'm doing today. I thought let me just take you guys with me. I don't do Ngago with you, but I just wanna take you guys with me. I think so I'm thinking besides Mbasha, so I'm gonna get a few things as well. So I'm just taking you guys with me. I couldn't think so yeah. Everybody just split you. Huh? So cela usisi lo usincedayo apha akufakele ba? Unecham. Okay, ndizawujonga itoilet mntanam ziphi ba? Sana guys, I don't think ikhona apha emhlabeni into that I enjoy more than being a mom. Siyakuthini baby? Oh, okay, uzobuya but if akabuyanga yena azocela komnye ba uba makakufakele. Awuzukwazi udlala xa ungayifakanga ne? But nanje nje la sisi phaa utheni ungayocela kuye uba makakufake. Ambocela kuye usisi lo uhleli phaa uyazifaka abocela kuye. As I was saying here, guys, I don't think there's anything that I enjoy at ebomini more than being a mom. Oh, I love being a mom with all my heart, Sana. I think in Gogo, hopefully my mom is not gonna watch this, but Mama no magazwa, I'm hoping Baba's in but I think I'm ready for a boy child. I think if you know Mama got boy, yeah. Okay, wait, I think it's a fan.
Both sides.
Tipalendon?
Both sides, here and here.
Tipali kamalako apa the song na mayami okay. As by figure weight again than I'm like ba. So what's the long voting a guide band? So will you then when you wait again? So as I was saying, guys, I think they're ready for a boy child to go. Your mama with girls, 2 girls.
No boys in our family.
I was funny boys.
Never.
So mama ngabe na baby boy. Funny girls ka. Mama pina bena omnye umntana but be girl. Funny any more kids go.
Waste imali yakho kuye nokuphile mama.
Okay, ngitana mntana niyangcingela. Okay, mama kawuzophina lena abantwana. So sikwasibheka guys ngoku ndingeneka ishop eyi-1 sana naqala ndifuna uthenga khona izinto endifuna uzithenga naye napha ndingena kwisho andizazi noba zingaphi ishop endingene kuzo ndathenga unyanisile xa isibana ndizowaste imali yam ebantwaneni abayi-3 because I'm already wasting my money because ndizothenga into eyi-1 xa ndifuna ukujongela into eyi-1 into eziyi-2 ezazinida eyi-10K engakhange ndiyithengele imani guys
Mama, so odile. Theni ungekafika ukudla kwethu.
Uzofika.
Nini?
Ngoku.
Anginedaba yakungakafika.
Kaloku indima wenza ukutya.
I'm gonna take long in there. I'm forgetting.
Good morning, my loves. Good morning. Welcome to a brand new day of this vlog. Today it is a Saturday. Yes, but the last time I spoke to you guys, during the weekend. So I did not give you guys much of an update regarding your weekend, but it's opinion update throughout the vlog. So today it's a Saturday and I am now going to Usiskhanyi to get my face done. Sana ndigowile into. Was it last weekend? Last weekend ndigowile into sana. Ndingamfumani uKhanyi fully booked. So nangoku ndimtextele and I was like ndifuna uzokwenza ubuso on Saturday. Ogqiba kwam andaphinde ndithethe. So wandichazela uba zindize ngaba nexesha then ndaphinde ndithethe. Xa ndiphinde ndimbhalela she was like hayi ke sisi esa space ubusifunile sasithathwe ngomnye umntu kaloku because ye wathula. I thought bana awusafuni. Ndathi Khanyi unincede unganenzeli loo nto sana. Uzondiskwiza in noba undiskwize in njani. Kuzonyanzeleka undiskwizile and she was like okay mandiza ngo-11 ngoku ixesha zi-10 ngoku. I think zi-10 to 11 ngoku so ndiyakuye. Kuse-early ndi-early kamandi namhlanje andikho late guys like andipeniki andikho late. I think the reason why ndingekho late is because akhange ndiyowenza inwele. Guys, can you believe I still have the installation that I did for a weekend away and ke ngoku ezanwele kuthiwa yinto ngane ndilibele igama ke ngoku kuthiwa zintontoni ezinwele but like synthetic, yes, ezinwele ngu-synthetic. But I still have that week, guys. Like in the so I'm going out today with a friend. Ebethe masiphume last week on Sunday. And then waye kwenzeka something wethu so I end up eCouncilor sibana asisazokwazi uphuma on Sunday. That's bana okay, it's fine, okay, we might as well just do it the weekend. So I'm going out with her. For the first time we choose a venue because okokoko xa siphumayo siloku indima umuntu ochoose indawo uba masiye kuzo. So for the first time we choose indawo esizoya kuyo and the weather is so gloomy outside and one thing about me ke sana andinguye umuntu otshintsha outfit azoba gloomy iphinde iyeke. I'm not changing my outfit because ndiplane unxiba short, but I'll see wethu, but I don't think change the outfit yam. So yeah guys, I'm gonna see you xa ndifika kusisikhanyi. Obviously ndizawufika esenza omnye umntu ngoku because isolati sam ndi-early kakhulu bengafuni uba late wethu. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys at either xa ndifika kuye okanye xa ndigqibayo. Okay, andisemhle. Oh my goodness. One thing about uKhanyi ke sana, uzawuthi uyothula le nto uyithweleyo ogqiba kulungisa inwele. So she fixed my hair. Zafike ndizi-ayine nje endlini kakuhle because it's synthetic wig niyayazi nani. So the time is now, I think the time ngoku it's past 12 okanye i-1. Okay, it's almost 1 o'clock ngoku. And suppose asihamba ngo-1 nomakazazi, but it looks like so by 2 we are running late. Phoba ndikho late mna because ngoku benzofika endlini ndinxibe then ndihambe, but akakanditexteli, so I'm assuming uba akakagqibi because bethe uzofika ekuseni ayoyenza installation, but I'm thinking uba inoba akakagqibi ngoku. So I'm just gonna get home ndimfowunele, and then if akakagqibi ndimlinde, and then sihambe ke ngoku. So I'm gonna see you guys xa sendinxibileyo. The weather is so gloomy guys, like the weather is still so bad, and go because Cape Town weather sana. Just tell me why kubanda, but akubandi phofu, but inganetha no neta, and also unxiba short kule weather Indian ngabe ndiyazinet. So I'm gonna get home and see bande zonxiba ntoni. So yeah guys, I'm gonna see you later on. Okay, hey guys, so I am finally done. I think I'm not even sure what time it is ngoku, and I just texted umakazazi uthi bana mana request kuye, then from yena sizohamba together, but naye she's also not driving, uza requesta naye because I think ufuna usela, I'm not sure. So let me show you guys what I'm wearing. Then I changed some short because the weather is really not allowing outside. So because this is how I look. Let me show you Islam. Unfortunately, I'm going to cut in one month because I see a phone kanje. And because so yeah guys, but I'm gonna show you guys a full picture somewhere up. And there's the top yandik. I didn't say kumi asihlale kanje. Yebo. But even the bigger kanje is on irritate I mean yonke. So I also decided baba ndizibophinwele zam because yo ndizibonile sana ba andizulunga ndizokhopha. Kwezinwele ndiremove ela flecho bekho ela flecho belilapha. I'm sure you guys still remember because this is the same hair I installed vlog ye weekend away. So ndisuse nje laa nto ebilapha then ndazenza zaba straight, but ndizayikhulula anytime from ngoku, but it's still so intact, sisahlele kakuhle. So I'm also gonna carry this bag because it didn't too much color guys, so it only makes sense uba ndinxibe i-departed bag black. So I'm not sure uba ndizayikhera kanje or ndizokhupha ibhande nje and then just carry it kanje. I think it makes sense that xa ndiyibambe so okanye so, and there's a way to, but I'll see. So ngoku let me just request to umamakazazi and then ndizamana xa ndifika phaa. Udikwe very fast. Ayinhle Thomi apha. Thomi iza uzobona. Ayinhle i-lighting apha. Sinxibe ubhatha yellow so bayithu you'd swear uba yi-theme.
Le nto izawuvela xa ukwenza ini?
Xa yelo
Xa wenza i-vlog?
Ukhona Thomi i-vlog.
Izawuthetha.
Kuthiwa futhi
Hayi noba ithethe mhlawumbe.
ikhona le nto befuna uyithetha ndisho. Sana ndiyabhulishwa. uthi ba ungatyi ibhega xa mandaziwa
Engage ukibheka noma
zawutya nontshomi zawutya
That's great for one.
order stay for one okanye siorder but izoba ninzi kakhulu utshomi lena for because andilamba
Noma
I think so must order le overplate for one ke le beef chuck ne dalavos I think ngikandazi ezikuthi
Yephi yesona la man. Awuze kweziphi? Yephi
sorry. Thixo wam igcwele kakhulu.
Give me one margarita. I'm open my leg. Which one was that? Give me two margarita. Hey my lovings, hey my dolls. Excuse it guys, I know I am looking so crusty, but I've been so busy like the past few days. Le vlog suppose bakudala iphumile but okobe ndi busy. So I just popped by mandizovala le vlog officially because if I don't do it now then which means ba le vlog ngizophinde ndidelay further. So ngoku ndifuna uzovala le vlog so that sizoyikhupha. It's been forever kudala ninilindisile for the next vlog. So guys, this is officially our last vlog in Cape Town. We are going to the Eastern Cape, baby. And so if there's one thing sana, each and every time this Eastern Cape ndiba excited and ndiyavuya. But one day this Eastern Cape, I wanna come back to Cape Town already. But story for another day. So we are closing this vlog. I honestly think, okay, I don't think we've done a lot vlog, but ndifuna ukukhupha mangoku so that I can start a new vlog because ndifuna uqalisa vlog like today for a vlog Eastern Cape. So the next time you will see this face, ndizobe ndisezilalini or maybe ndizobe nditravelisha to the Eastern Cape and yes. But this is officially our last vlog in Cape Town. Standing at the Eastern Cape full time. I just wanna relocate ndiyohlala eMount Frere full time because ningowa seMount Frere guys, but in Shadele Kukumbu. So yep. So I don't think there's anything else, man. I went on the date with Unox. I think I'm not sure if I gave you an update or I did not. But if guys, I went on the date with Unoxi. And to be honest, I think that date we had the most beautiful day. So I didn't vlog much because it needs basis phone like it's a catch up and all that. So because but at least you guys know, but I went on the date with Unoxi. We fixed our relationship. Like the mistakes bendizenza friendship ndizokwenza better. Hopefully sizoba right till forever, till the end. And I also went on the date with Magazaza. I've been going on dates with her, so I don't think hako. So yeah guys, I just hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I hope you did not skip ads. If you did, next vlog skip ads. At least watch the ads as you two. Give vlog A1. And expecting abani watch zogi ads because I know they are dig. So give vlog A1. At least watch ads as you two. Please guys, because next year funeka sithenge camera because ngoku si vlog ngefone. Funeka siye ku vlog ngefone next year. Masithi sifika ku 50k sibe si vlog ngecamera, ne? So skip ads, guys. Thank you so much for the continuous support, and we are officially on the road to 25k. I think we are on 23k. The last time I checked, it was 23k. So we are on the road to 25k, and I hope and pray about January. Because I think, I'm not sure, but I think vlogs as Eastern Cape, I think I'm gonna give you like vlogs as Eastern Cape. And this is a long vlog, but in Ninika vlogs as Eastern Cape, but I think this was Ninika what January. I'll start giving you guys vlogs as Eastern Cape. December, but mostly in Ninika vlogs as Eastern Cape in January, so that in the Asbanians was okay. Okay, so I'm just praying about January. I pay at least 25k. See, as basically half got 50 for the celebration. You guys to remember, we still have a celebration for 50k. Why do you and yes, so yeah, my loves, enough with the yapping. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. I hope you did not skip ads. Please do not forget to like, to share, and to subscribe. I am gonna see you on the next one, my loves. I love you all so much. Bye for now.
Am I really that much?